Hi guys, afternoon. Today we will talk about pain and sadness. It is a topic that is, I won't say close to anyone's heart because no one wants to be in pain and sadness always. But pain and sadness is something that at some point or the other everyone goes through. सो पेन क्या है, पेन क्यों है, पेन कैसे है, पेन रिश्तों का है, पेन जॉब या बिजनेस का है, पेन पैसे का है या पेन हेल्थ का है। इनमें से किसी ना किसी से हम सब जुड़े हुए हैं। तो आज पेन is something that I would like to throw a point of view or interesting point of view about कि क्या आप पेन इनवाइट कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, क्या पेन आपने क्रिएट किया है अपनी लाइफ में, क्या पेन आपने चूज किया है अपनी लाइफ में, क्या पेन ऐसी एक चीज है जो आप पुल कर रहे हो, जिसकी एनर्जी में आप हर वक्त ड्विंडल करते रहते हो और वो पेन आपकी लाइफ से इरेडिकेट नहीं होता है, वो आपकी लाइफ को छोड़ के नहीं जाता है। कभी वो किसी फॉर्म में आ जाता है, कभी किसी फॉर्म में आ जाता है। सो थिंक अबाउट इट। आर यू चूजिंग पेन? आर वी चूजिंग पेन? आर वी चूजिंग टू बी इन द सैडनेस of the circumstances always? Are we choosing those problems to create the pain in our lives? These are some serious questions that you have to look into. This will help you release the pain that you're choosing. Interesting point of view. I have this point of view that I choose to release the pain that I am being in. Interesting point of view. I have this point of view that I choose expansiveness out of the pain into my life. Sahi galat, right and wrong, good and bad, there is nothing like it. Everyone in the spur of the moment has different decisions which can be good and bad today. But maybe in the future, what is a good decision today can be a bad decision in the future. But हमें आज में जीना है, आज के पेन पे वर्क करना है, आज के सैडनेस को रिमूव करने पे वर्क करना है। सो पेन की क्लियरिंग करने के लिए, पेन को अपने से रिलीज करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? आपको एक पॉइंट ऑफ क्रिएशन और पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ योर थॉट प्रोसेस, ऑफ योर जस्टिस जजमेंट, जिसमें आप हमेशा फंसे रहते हैं या हम सब हमेशा फंसे रहते हैं। वी आर इन टू लॉर्ड ऑफ जजमेंट ऑफ आवर सेल्स. We are choosing pain, we are victimizing pain, we are victimizing ourselves. Do we actually choose to close our eyes and ask, how can I choose to be in the happiness, in the joy, in the expansiveness of the being that I am? Is my body contributing to me? Am I contributing to my body? Am I allowing the universe to contribute to me and my body? Are we thinking and are we going with the energy of this? Thinking does not work in the energy world, in the reality of the energy world. Go with the energy of what is light and heavy for you, what works for you, what releases your pain. So if you're choosing pain and if you're choosing to be in the pain, your heart chakra will always feel heavy. And in total vice versa of that, if you're choosing expansiveness, if you're choosing joy, if we are choosing to be in the ecstasy of the expansiveness always, our heart chakra will always feel lighter. Then we will make choices, then we will operate from the possibilities of expansiveness. Then we will work towards making life more expansive, not just for ourselves, but everyone around us. Also, the anger, frustration will come down. When the anger, frustration will come down, the stress will come down, the pain will come down, the sadness will come down. The joy will begin to happen. The glory of the existence of the being, of the infinite beings that all of us are, will begin to happen. Does that really echo something in your head? If it doesn't, go with the energy of it. It will definitely click with you. Choose guys. Be in the choice of possibilities. Be in the abundance of what the universe has to offer to us, and see how we shift from pain to joy. Ask yourself, am I choosing this pain? Ask yourself, am I being the pain? Ask yourself, am I creating the problem? Ask yourself, am I always choosing to live in the problems? Whatever feels light or heavy here, if it feels heavy, the answer to your questions is a yes. If it feels lighter, then who does this belong to that I am not understanding? I am not listening to the universe. I am not being in the question of the universe. The pain will begin to fade out. Do this exercise for like 10 days at a stretch. There is no hard and fast rule to the number of times you have to do it. Just when your heart chakra begins to feel lighter, that is when you have chosen, or you are being in the choice of choosing happiness over sadness, joy over pain. That is the essence of the infinite being. All of us always choose to be in the happy energy that is around us. We choose to be in the happy energy of people around us. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि कुछ लोग जब हमारे ऑरिक फील्ड में आते हैं तो कुछ लोग को हम एकदम रिपेल करने लग जाते हैं और हमें उनकी एनर्जी से कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होने लग जाती हैं, डिस्पाइट कि हम उन्हें जानते नहीं हैं, वो एक स्ट्रेंजर है, बट हमें कुछ अच्छी वाइब्स नहीं आती उनसे. दैट इज हाउ the energy of your body is talking to the energy of their body, and that is when you start repelling energies. The energy field does not work for each other. That's why we get repelled from one another. And parallelly कुछ लोग आपके और एक फील्ड में आते हैं और आपको एकदम ऐसे दिल करता है, आई नीड टू गो एंड टॉक टू दिस पर्सन, I need to be friends with this person, or you simply feel lusted towards that person, or you simply feel attracted to make a communication with that person. Any of this can happen. That is what your body energy is talking to their body energy. And that is why the repulsion or the attraction takes place, because all of us come from a molecule, and the molecular energies always talk to one another. सो हमें एनर्जी वर्क समझ आता है नहीं आता, एनर्जी फील्ड समझ आती है नहीं आती, डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस गाइज. देयर इज नो राइट एंड रॉन्ग अबाउट इट, बट योर बॉडी इज सच एन इन्फिनिट बीइंग दैट लाइटनेस हैवीनेस सबको फील होने लग जाएगी. लाइटनेस हैवीनेस सब उससे ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन यू फील हैवी हियर, इट मीन्स समथिंग is not right about the decision that you're taking, or the presence of someone else that is causing the pain, and you choose to go with the lightness. So all you need to do is just ask the universe to guide me and see whose pain is this, and just ask the pain to release, and just ask what else is possible here that I'm not seeing. Also ask what is right about this that I'm not seeing. Also ask what is the wrongness of the pain that I am creating in my world. With these questions, you will see everything starts to melt away, and you start becoming a happier, a more pleasant soul. Do this exercise for a couple of days and let me know in the comments below, guys, how the change that this brought about in your world is magnificent, is magical, and what magic can we all be today. Bye. I'll see you soon.